Hey guys, so today I'm actually putting together a little arbor. I've actually had this thing for, oh god, like a year and a half. In my last house, I was going to put it up across a little walkway, and I just never got around to it. So in my new house, I plan on doing that. So the arbor that I actually got was from Facebook Marketplace. They actually had it up and it broke and they just wanted to get rid of it. So I was like, hey, I'll take it off your hands. So let me show you what it is that I bought. I just got the top part of the arbor, and I went to Home Depot and I got 12-foot 2x2 or 2x4s that I'm actually going to bury here and there. So then I will have the arbor going into the garden. I also have some rose bushes that I'm going to put, or climbing roses that I'm going to put and put it across. So I'm excited. Let's do this. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to measure to make sure I know the distance before I start digging my holes. So let's do that. So we are roughly 64, 65 inches across. If I'm a little short or I'm a little ahead, it's fine because I can actually I can move the little post side to side whenever I get it up there. So let me go ahead and start digging. I'm going to put little stakes here. How far I need to put my post. Let's see. It looks like I'm a little close here, so I'm just going to move it over a little bit. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect because I do plan on moving them around and so I can get my rose bushes to grow up. So let's start digging. Oh, I'm going to hit rocks. Isn't that how it always is? Whenever you start digging, you end up running into either roots or another rock. There we go. Ideally, I would like to have post hole diggers, but they got lost in the yard somehow. Well, I finally got the holes dug. I tell you, it is the middle of September and it is hot. I've got my fan over there and I am still burning up, but it's okay. I think of it as my workout. Anyway, alright, so now that I have the holes dug, I'm going to now put the post in to see how it looks. Alright, so now I just gotta get the post in the holes. Oh, I love shade. I need to level it and screw them up. So let's do that. And I found a problem. So the problem that I now have is that the posts are not straight this way. So by the time I put on my pergola or my arbor, it's going to have a slight bend. So now I need to bring this one forward a little bit. So let me take out these screws. Alright, so now we are to the fun part. Now I get to put concrete down and water it and get it to set up. So I have a little trick. So I like to put a little bit of water down in the hole before I actually pour the concrete in. I just barely get it in there. So let me do that. My water hose leaks like crazy. So I'm just gonna let it water my plant. Alright, so now let's open the concrete and get it poured. So you don't want too much water, you don't want too much concrete. You kind of have to find that happy medium. I found doing it this way, I end up doing a little more water and then I add the concrete to the consistency I like. There we go. Alright, let me add the rest of this concrete. Alright, so now we just gotta wait until it's dried and then I get to do the fun part. So anyway, all right. Well, I'll be back as soon as it is dry. It's hot. Well, I'm all finished with my project. Now I just have to get it set so then I can go ahead and put the top part of the arbor. I'm excited. I've been needing to do this for a long time and now I finally have it done. So anyway, I am going to cool off because it is hot. I think the heat index is 105 in Tulsa and it's hot. So anyway, I'm going to go cool off and hopefully this will set by the afternoon and hopefully I'll have some shade. I'm hoping. Anyway, thank you guys. All right, well, I will post an update as soon. I will post the update as soon as the concrete is finished. Thanks.